to delete the site profile and resource document. Here is the step need to follow and delete the site document and site profile and resource document. First, to delete a resource document, so open your resource and reservation database and then click resource. And then after that, you can approve the resource document deletion in admin process file. Okay, and third one is put this both command tell admin v process new and tell rnrmg are validate both this command on the server console. So I'll show you. So open this resource and reservation database, open it. Here is resource. Okay, if you want to delete the site document, so before deleting a site document, need to delete first resource document. After that, once you have deleted this document, resource document, then delete site document. Okay, so first I'm going to delete this document. So there's two documents there, so I want to delete one. Okay, so delete. Open this, double click, and here is delete resource. Click on delete resource. Here your request is going to deleted. Do you want to wish? Yes, I am going to delete. Your request deletion will be submitted. Click OK. Here is deleted from there in resource database, and go to admin client. Need to check as a document is there in tab. I'll show you. Open the admin client. First open administrator client. Okay, go to the people and view. Here is admin p process. Here is showing conference mail in database mail in document. So this document will be deleted. Okay, so click here on server and then analysis. Okay, then click here administrator request. Here is fine pending approval. Here is pending approval, administrator approval by name. Okay, by age, yeah, by server. Okay, so I'll click by age and click here and click here. Here is the resource deletion coming this request. So open this and edit document and approve this request. Here is approve. Click yes and OK. Here is completed. After that, go to the server, then status, then server console. After deletion, this I will check the both command need to put. So copy this command, live the console, paste here, and then send it. Your admin people request will be completed within a minute. After that, you can run this validation command, copy this command and paste here. Tell rmrgr dot dear validate. Click here this command, send. So validation database validating schedule. So here is validation is done. So need to open the local, click on local, again open the server, go to check the document. Okay, people and managers, here is gone. Okay, so there is no document for this deleted documents. Need to check on room and resource booking. Open the mailbox, go to meeting, test, test meeting, resource user one. Okay, so here I need to check rooms. Click here, search. Only one resource showing. There is no other resources are showing in my tab. Okay, so this is the process to delete the resource and site document. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.